No sauce, no glaze, just pure Iberico flavor dripping right off these flank steaks. Today we're making a no-sauce flank steak from Campo Grande. Right out of the package, you can tell that these aren't your average store-bought flank steaks. I'm going to remove some of the excess fat and the silver skin. Then we're going to season these on both sides with our big Swede barbecue badass beef boost. We're going to dump some charcoal in the grill, and then the flank steaks goes on. We're going to cook these a couple of minutes on each side until they have a beautiful color and internal temperature of 135 degrees. And look at this. The color is gorgeous and the aroma is unbelievable. We'll remove them from the grill and let them rest for a couple of minutes. And when the flank steak come off, it's dripping with flavor. There is no sauce needed, just tender, juicy Iberico perfection. Here we go. Oh, it is so savory, smoky, good amount of heat to it. This flank steak is absolutely amazing.